Drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, go!
As we begin this match, it is of note that Team 4241 Steel Tigers is bypassed for this match. Their robot not on the field, but a human player behind the glass. As we wrap up Autonomous, plenty of cargo making its way on in. It looks like 3 for blue. Make that maybe 4 and 5 for blue, thanks to Wild Stang, and 2 for the Red Alliance. 706 Cyberhawks right away collect some cargo from the carpet. They vacuum it up and shoot it on up to the 2-point upper hub. We see blue cargo flying on in, either from Steel Bronco or Wild Stang. They are facing some tough defense from EOT. EOT, a very tall robot, allowing them to be very defensive, but they have to be careful about the center of gravity of their robot. With that arm extended, it makes them rock back and forth as they move about the field. Wild Stang changing up their strategy a little bit. We usually see Wild Stang go up top for 2 points, but they just dropped off a quick deployment of cargo for just 2 points for the Blue Alliance. Cyberhawk 706 scores some points for Red, working very quickly with their partner despite being 1 robot down here in this match. Wild Stang has 1 cargo, making it look easy, adding 2 more points. They very quickly grab 2 more and score 4 more points for the Blue Alliance. EOT sticking to them once again to play some defense. Wild Stang has mistakenly possibly picked up some red cargo. They might try to drop it off and get a blue piece of cargo instead. They do that right now, still facing that defense from EOT, and that causes them to miss one of their launch attempts. Roaring Robotics in blue, the partner on this alliance, approaches the hub. They are all on their own with plenty of room to drop off the cargo in their manipulator. It tips on up, that cargo rolling on out for 2704 Roaring Robotics. Steel Bronco, their alliance partner, their roller intake having some trouble. It looks like part of it might have become unattached from their arm. So they won't be able to pick up any cargo, but they can still contribute to this alliance. They also still have a hanging mechanism that we might see in the hangar. 20 seconds remaining now, Big Blue Alliance lead 48-26, but the first robots up off the ground are for the Red Alliance. We might have the ranking point over here in red, but check out Wild Stang in blue. We see them move on up. They've got 3 seconds, 2, 1, and in the final moments, Wild Stang with 15 points, but it looks like we might have a ranking point for the Red Alliance. Blue Alliance, 63-42, 3 ranking points for the Blue Alliance. Wild Stang still comfortably in that #1 spot here at Central Illinois. Over on red, we do have a ranking point for the hangar bonus at the conclusion of the match.